Here we are, we found a much better setting to showcase the Jeep after its detail. So here it is.
Shut up and sit down.
This is one bit I've got to have a look at.
I couldn't get my finger.
Because, oh wow, awesome. Yeah, before it was detailed, there was actually a big clump of mud in here, and also there was actually flowers growing out of this side, so that is brilliant. Right, another thing I wanted to show you as well is down here where there used to be a sticker, the standard Shogun Sport 3 litre V6 sticker, and I tell you what, my one was really shabby, really crap, and it was missing loads of parts. I tell you what, it just really brings out the lines of the side of that truck so much better without those stickers there. I can't believe how awesome that looks with that gone. And I tried ages to get rid of that. Another thing as well is down on the bottom of my step down here, there was so much tar on it, and I tell you what, I could not get it off. I had this thing for about a year now, and I tell you what, I could not get the tar off of that step. This guy's an artist. Another thing was the damage from all the green laning, and I tell you what, the scratches were on the side of this truck. I T-cutted them, I tried getting them out, and I could not. But look how awesome it is now. All the way down. There's nothing on here. Brilliant. Another thing as well, I can't believe how black that grille has come out as well, and the light surrounds, except for the one I buffed and took the paint off the other week. But also along here as well, this was absolutely white grey. It wasn't even anywhere near grey. And the scratches that used to be in these mirrors, unreal. They look like they've been replaced. Like there's no scratches left in them. They look black again, because again, these were grey. Incredible. So I hope you found this video interesting. I hope you've enjoyed it. I just wanted to do a video just mainly to show the difference between a detailer and a valeter, just to show what can be achieved just by going to the right person and getting the right stuff done. And I think this thing was one of the best guinea pigs to do that on, just because of the amount of scratches, bangs and things in it. And to be honest, since I've had it back, it's actually given me more inspiration to actually want to make this truck better. Before I didn't really care that much. But there's a few little things, like I want to repaint the wheels now. There's also a little scab by the driver's door where it's rubbed through the paint, where it's gold, or the gold silver, and it's rubbed through it to bring out the green underneath. There's actually a few things I want to sort out on this truck now, all because of it being, well, just looking this good.